9-year-old boy killed, woman injured in May Pen Gvn attack. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have identified the boy killed during a gun attack at Church Street in May Pen Clarendon on Friday night. He has been identified as 9-year-old Shamar Walker, a student of railway in May Pen Clarendon, and a 29-year-old female vendor who was also injured during the incident, the police have revealed. Reports are that at around 7:45 p.m., Shamar and the now injured woman were among a group of people at a shop watching television when a man came in the yard. Shortly after, the police said that the man pulled a firearm and opened gunfire in the crowd. Shamar ran from the yard into the street and was chased and shot in the left side of his chest. When the shooting subsided, the vendor was found suffering from multiple gunshot wounds to the upper part of her body. Residents rushed the child and the woman to the May Pen Hospital, where Shamar was pronounced dead on arrival. The woman has since been admitted in serious but stable condition. No motive has yet been established for the shooting incident. The May Pen police have since commenced an investigation. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.